barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, there's a few things that I would like to mention. First of all, if you're looking to join my signal service, then why not start today at dailymarketmovements.com. Once on my website, you'll see that I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. And the second thing, guys, is we've just released our third episode. That's our third podcast. I know that there's many of you watching this video right now who haven't even listened to one of our podcasts, but I get so many of you messaging me privately or commenting on the video saying, Max, do you offer one-on-one courses, etc.? And the answer is no, I don't really offer anything else apart from my signal service. But now we've just started a podcast, and guess what? It's free. You know, in the podcast, we give them free signals, my favorite assets to buy at this moment in time. We discuss the current markets and our outlook, our predictions going forward. So go onto my Instagram, compound_interest_invest. So that's compound interest invest. And then you will find a link in our bio. If you click there, that will then give you access to listen to our podcast. We've got 3 episodes, as I just mentioned, and you can listen to either on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, or even on Spotify. So definitely go and check that out. But let's get into today's video. The Nasdaq100, once again, enjoying a nice little bounce here. We're back above 12,000, but the big question is, does it last? Is this anything significant? And I think that the answer is no. Not until we break above the 50-day EMA. That's something we haven't done now pretty much all the way since the 22nd of March. So I don't see anything changing. We're just having a nice little bounce here. Reason being is because we had the 5 and 2 year spread go below zero yesterday, meaning that we're almost certain to go into a recession. It's pretty much a 90% chance. And why is Nasdaq 100 gaining when there is, we've just had basically confirmation that we're entering into a recession? Well, that's because now the Fed can't hike as aggressively as they kind of said they would in the previous meeting. It was fully expected that we'd get 75 basis point hike this month. Now it's very highly unlikely. We're looking at more 25 to 50, because if the Fed was to continue a aggressive hiking pattern, then of course that could potentially send us into a hard, deep recession where, just because we're going into a recession, it doesn't always have to be too bad. We could just be a mild one, and the stocks could actually do very well within that recession, because we've already done a lot of the work already, guys. We've fallen from around 17,000 all the way down to 11,100 at the lows, but something keeps on telling me that we still need to go lower here. I think that we see a move back down towards 11,000. I think that we will eventually see a double bottom. So I'm not buying into this dip. Like I said, I would only buy if we broke above the 50-day EMA, but I think that our gains are capped here at around 12,200. And I do fully expect to see us return back down towards 11,000 in the foreseeable future.
500,000 barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.